Today we're installing this RazerCam camera and cable kit on this Bobcat Toolcat. I'm an hour and 40 minutes in to finding the elusive connector, but I have found the connector. I will show you where it is, save you an hour's worth of your time. We know that it's gonna go up through the headliner, but where is the connector? We started kind of pulling this down. We popped off the monitor. We went through the dash. We did the center console. We take off all these panels. On the driver's side, we reached up here and we found this. Now it's gonna have a dummy plug that's in there, so you're gonna remove that. And right there is where the Dakota Micro RazerCam camera adapter cable plugs into. So we kind of just felt up in there and we found it. Just like anything, we're gonna plug in the camera, make sure everything works. And then we gotta figure out a way to get that cable through there, somehow here, go up this channel, and then get up there to punch through that grommet. And everything should just work fine as soon as we connect it. Let me plug in the camera and we'll see what happens. So we've got our RazerCam camera right here. We're gonna plug this part right here into the Switchcraft connector. Camera is on, and like I said, so all you gotta do is remove the clip, pull that out, and then hook in our adapter cable. As soon as that is in, now we know that RazerCam is connected. Let's see if it shows up on the monitor here. Ironically, I don't even know how to turn this thing on, so that's pretty awesome. Which one? Oh, the obvious green button, people. If you don't know how to do that, you don't deserve to have one of these, nor do I have one. Here's the camera button right here. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, the camera is working just fine. Now we know that we've got to wire this thing up and get it through the headliner and everything else up here. The Dakota Micro RazerCam is going to bolt right here to this bracket. You've got a rubber grommet that's going to come out. We know that it's going to go up through the headliner. The camera's in the back. It plugs in right underneath this harness. There's some pins under here. You just connect the RazerCam right here, run the cable right to here, and then there's a channel that actually goes right down in here, and it drops down there, and then we have the cable popping out right there. So the only thing we've got to do now is get the cable from right here, which obviously there's plenty of line here, down here to this. So it should be pretty easy. So if you go from the left to the right here, we've got some push pins in here that need to come out for the headliner. And then there's a bolt right here. This comes out nice and easy. And then this headliner should just pop down. Ooh, yeah. No, just a little bit of factory glue or something in there maybe.
And then they hid this bolt back behind here.
What does that do? Oh, we're good. Just like that. The headliner is out.
And then you've already removed those.
Yeah.
So that gives you access to the hole.
What's that connector for?
This will be a radio.
Oh, got it.
So there's our...
Yeah, right there. All right, the grommet's out, so we're ready to hook up the camera. Yeah, the RazerCam wire connector is right here, and it runs down this channel. So the wire is run down through there. Pop up the console. There's just a few bolts here holding it, including the armrest. Run the wire right through this grommet. And with this compartment out, you can actually fish the wire, see it right here, and push it right through this spot right here. So now with this out, you can push the wire, feed it into here, and connect your connector for the very last time. Man, doesn't that feel good? So now all you gotta do is put everything back together and you're good to go. And that's how you install a RazerCam camera on the back of a Bobcat Toolcat. I'm not even pointing at it, am I? Nope, nope.